Hi, my name is Chayasit Tepawan. I'm from Thailand. Okay, and today I would like to teach you how to make the Angular5 again Angular5 to support the Google SEO search engine. First of all, I have to tell you that my English is not quite well. So if you don't understand me, I'm sorry too. But I try to make my best to explain you. First of all, I have I have made a document to show you step by step how to integrate the Angular universal, or another name is how to make Angular to render on the server side. This is a way to support the Google SEO. But before we will get started, okay, I would like to mention about one thing. Actually, it's another solution to make your Angular app to support SEO. But this one is already deprecated. So I have to tell you first that if you plan to use this technique or called escape fragment, okay, it's already deprecated. Okay, it's already deprecated. So I don't recommend you this solution. Okay, the solution I try to do in this script is I follow from the official website. Anyway, after I follow and step by step in this tutorial, but it doesn't work. It show up some error. Okay, I try to fix myself or search on some Stack Overflow, and finally I can get it done. Okay, so I try to remake document with myself. So okay, now we're gonna start it. Okay, but before, okay, sorry again, please, before we will start, I will show you what the problem is first. Okay, here is I will run Angular projects. Okay, by ng first ngserve on the project on the Angular project that is do not make it support SEO. Okay, and we will see what the problem is. Okay, when I call localhost 4200, okay, and it will show the result like this. But if you right click and will paste source, you will not see the all of the HTML tag, because the Angular is rendered on the on the browser side, and it used but it using the Ajax techniques. Okay, like a JavaScript technique, something that is not allow you to see the whole HTML. Okay, so this will make the Google search engine cannot indexing. Okay, cannot index your website, so it cannot check what's the topic in your website. Okay, so this will affect to your website SEO. Okay, so how to make it support? There are about 12 steps. Okay, first one is to install this package. Okay, what's this package? Here's package. Okay, some package like enhanced result is not shown in the official website. So if you want to make sure that it will work, you have to use you have to refer all these steps in this document. Okay, I will copy, okay, and press in this project. Actually, I already pressed this. You will see that I did paste it earlier. So now I will skip this step and to the second. In the second, you have to rewrite app module. Okay, there are three. Okay, there are three sub steps here. Okay, so I will go to app and find the app module. Okay, and the first step, I have to import this. So I go back to the original project or the project that I already done, and find okay, app module. Okay, and copy this first. Okay, I think that I will not explain why I have to do this. You can read this on the official website. Okay, because it's I think maybe you might be confused. Okay, if I explain in English, so I just try to show you how to make it work only. Okay, another one is I have to comment the browser module. Okay, the old browser module is not okay. You have to comment and use another one. Okay, and another one is to add the constructor. Okay, in the app module to initial something for the browser. Okay, we already finished the second step. Okay, t-pass, and the third one is to add a file in the app. Its name app server module. Okay, I will go back to the original project and file, and you will see this. Okay, I will add this file. Okay, in my app folder, and then I will copy whole source code. This app module is for server. You will see its name is server. Okay, and this app module will wrap up. Okay, it will wrap up the app module and also include the server module. Okay, so it's a new this is a new entry. Okay, when you run it. Okay, it will call it first and then call server module and then call app module. Okay, we did it. Okay, and next is the step 4. In step 4 you have to add another one. This one is TypeScript that run the backend on your server side. Okay, you have to make like a Node.js. Okay, that can run the Express middleware on your server side, because this technique will send the request to your backend or server side to render the HTML. So you have to have this file and run on your server side. In this case, you have to add outside. Okay, outside the source project or src folder, and you can copy. I will copy from the original projects. Okay, and press here. And okay, anyway, I think that if you can get the original source code from the official website. Okay, from this one, and you will see the download here. But anyway, this sample source code, it doesn't work. Okay, I don't know why, but it doesn't work because it's not give the whole source code. Let's check the description in this tutorial. I will post my source code. Okay, I will post my project that already finished. Okay, and you can check it out. And then okay, and let's get back server side. Okay, I already did it. So the next one is step 5. In step 5, you have to revise the tsconfig app. It's in source tsconfig. I will correct this and find ts app. Okay, you have to add xcode. Another xcode is a server. Okay, it's this. Okay, to avoid to Angular to compile this file as a part of the Angular, because it's not part of Angular. It's a server side, so you have to add it to script. And step 6 is to add a file tsconfig server JSON. Okay, I will copy this one from the original and another file. Okay, and I copy this. Okay, this is the configuration for the server path. Okay, to call app server module that you just add in the app. Okay, it will call this. Okay, and okay, the next one. Okay, we just finished step 6, and step 7. You have to revise tsconfig. Okay, it located at the root. Okay, this one. In this case, you have to revise some. Sorry, this is a this is original projects. Okay, I will copy this and go this, and you will see that it's different. Okay, you have to add this Angular compiler option. Okay, to allow to compile this module first. Okay, that is located in the app by using this. Okay, sorry, it's duplicate. Okay, it's done. Okay, and next step, x.1. In this case, you have to rewrite Angular CLI by okay, let's get to the Angular CLI first, and you will understand. In the Angular CLI, okay, there will be an app entry. Okay, in app entry, you have originally in the app entry in Angular CLI, you will find this dictionary. Okay, this dictionary is located in the app array, but this one is for the browser only. Okay, it will compile and it will generate the content. This one will generate the output like this folder, but it's for browser only. But now you have to generate another folder for the server side. So the original project, you have to separate this. You will see that I will have two dictionary. First one is for browser, and another one is for server. Okay, so first of all, you have to rewrite this. Okay, rewrite this. Okay, and then correct and go to the original project. Okay, and I will correct this first, and I will copy this one, and this one for the server side. Actually, this already explained in the official document, but it's quite long, so it's hard to understand a little bit. Okay, now I will add it. Okay, it's done. Okay, this done both x.1 and x.2. x.1 just rewrite this folder. Okay, from just this folder to this browser, and another one is to add another item in the app. Okay, or add another dictionary. Okay, for the server side. Okay, so the step 9. Okay, we have to update the package.json is here. Okay, you have to update the command line here. I will go to the original projects. Okay, and I will copy this. Okay, and press this. Okay, finish. And then, oh, it's quite long. You have to add this file. In official website, it refer this file. Okay, in official website, it refer this file, but it doesn't explain what we have to put in this file. Okay. Moreover, when you download the source code from this link, it doesn't have there is no this file in the sample code as well. So I just wonder at first time. Okay. Okay, so I have to add this in the source. Okay, here is the. Okay. I will add this. What we have to put in this file is already to export. Sorry, not this one, but is this one. Okay, just to export app server module. I found this solution from the Stack Overflow. Sorry, I cannot remember what link I saw, but it's work. Okay, I copy, and the next one. Okay, actually this is the last one. If to add a webpack. Okay, outside. Okay, and actually this one you can copy from the original website. Okay, it's here. It's from original website, but okay, I will copy from the my original project. It says. Okay, finish. I think it finished. the last one is already to compile. You have to build as universal project first and run with the run serve universal. Okay, I will run it right now. Hope it will okay. When you run it, okay, if it finish, it will generate this folder, and in this folder there will be two subfolders. First is the browser and another is the server. If it's work, okay, and hope it should be work, okay. And if you would like to support my my channel, okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And one more, you can visit my website, but actually I'm Thai people. I have a course in Thailand, okay. But if you would like to visit my website, okay, I'm very welcome. Okay, let's go back. Now I try to compile. Okay, it's quite go well. There is still no any error. And after it finished, okay, I think right now if you refresh, you should see this folder. Okay, you will see the browser and the server. Okay, as I told you before. Okay, there is no any error. Okay, right now you have to run your project, okay, with this command. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's run now. Okay, I just open it. Okay, and here is the result. Okay, if I right click and view web page, right now you will see the source code, right? You will see the source code. Okay, does it mean that right now your Angular project, your Angular website is support is around Google search engine to make it SEO. Okay, hope you hope this hope this video will be useful. Okay, and if you like it, please click like button and share. Okay, thank you very much, and sorry my English. Okay, and I already try my best. Bye bye.